There it is. Oop.
Oh, it's pretty bright.
I think I hear people.
Wow, that is really bright.
Yeah.
That'd be the best one yet.
I think there's water vapor there though, because I'm not getting a clear picture.
Yeah, I'm getting my... It looks like it's getting...
Now it's straightening out. It's because it's above the moisture now. It's in space. That is so cool right there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Anytime it's gonna.
Oh, look
it's
at
gonna
that.
separate. It's gonna.
Look how cool that looks. I
It's
don't
got
know if you've seen
colors.
it, that the blue and all.
Yeah. Right there, it's gonna poof out.
You didn't think you'd
There
be
it
able
is.
to see it.
Well, once it got above the moisture, yeah.
Emma, where are you?
There it is.
Emma,
Oh,
come on.
yes.
Right here.
You're right, Dan. There it is. There it goes, honey. It's still going.
Oh, okay.
That's the next booster. Because it's usually it's cloudy and it's like I can't see it now.
This is a clear night. This is a beautiful night.
Up high it is definitely clear. And you'll be able to see that for a while.
It's a shame that it went off after Dawn left.
I know, right? That's why I wanted to tell you so that you could tell them, hey, cancel your flight.
Wow, this is the best. I'm telling you.
You gonna put it on YouTube, Dan?
I'm going to try.
Is that going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Nice.
Can't believe you can still see it up there.
I know. That's what I said. That's... Wait. It's getting bigger again.
And that's the secondary engines, not the primaries.
There's not one next weekend, huh?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Supposed to be one in a couple more hours.
There's supposed to be like 4 a month.
But that'd be cool if they one got lifted off when we were down that way.
Yeah.